The Patriotic Alliance has nominated its suspended Deputy President Kenny Kunene as its candidate for Johannesburg mayor, sparking debate in the city's turbulent political landscape. PA leader Gayton McKenzie made the announcement during a Facebook Live broadcast on Sunday, praising Kunene's past work in the cities despite his ongoing suspension over links to businessman Katiso CK Molefe. Molefe is the alleged mastermind behind the 2022 murder of popular musician Opa DJ Sambodi Sefoka. Mackenzie said he has done very good work in the city of Johannesburg and the deputy president will be our mayoral candidate for Joburg. We insist on that as he was a councillor. We want his case to finish, adding that the party's internal investigation is nearly complete. Kunene stepped down in July as Johannesburg's MMC for Transport and resigned as a councillor following revelations that he was at Molefe's Sandton home during a police raid on 21 July 2025. Officers arrested Molefe and 3 others that day on charges including murder, conspiracy, and illegal firearm possession. Kunene insisted he was at the house in his capacity as a media consultant, claiming he had been interviewing Molefe for a podcast on crime syndicates. The PA suspended him immediately pending an internal probe. By late July, he had resigned from his council post, citing the public interest. Mackenzie said Kunene has since been cleared of wrongdoing by the party's disciplinary committee. Kunene is no stranger to controversy. Once a nightclub mogul, he co-owned Johannesburg's notorious Sal Lounge, famed for its celebrity-fueled parties. His past also includes a 2013 fraud conviction linked to a 5 million rand Ponzi scheme, for which he served nearly 2 years in prison. Released in 2015, Kunene reinvented himself as a businessman and politician, co-founding the PA with Mackenzie, a former gangster turned preacher and now sports arts and culture minister. As Johannesburg's MMC for Transport, Kunene pushed safety measures in the taxi sector and oversaw bus rapid transit upgrades. His blunt style and flashy persona, however, often drew criticism. The PA, known for its hardline stance on immigration and crime, has grown into a kingmaker in Johannesburg politics since joining local coalitions in 2022. Now part of the National Government of National Unity, the party is eyeing a bigger role in the 2026 local elections. Johannesburg's 81 billion rand budget makes its mayoral post one of the most sought-after prizes in South African politics. But Kunene's nomination comes with risks. A July poll showed that 60% of Johannesburg voters distrust politicians linked to criminal cases. Opposition leaders have already voiced sharp criticism. EFF leader Julius Malema dismissed Kunene's explanation for being at Molefe's home, calling it a lie. Action SA leader Herman Mashaba has demanded the release of a city probe into Kunene's conduct, while the DA's caucus has also questioned his fitness for office. Meanwhile, DJ Sambodi's family continues to seek justice in court. Molefe's bail hearing is scheduled for 5 August at the Randburg Magistrate Court, where Kunene could be called to testify. Mackenzie has defended his deputy candidacy, arguing that Kunene represents the party's theme of redemption, and said, "I've got no doubt he will be cleared." Whether Johannesburg voters share that confidence will be tested in 2026. For now, Kunene's mayoral bid underscores the PA's ambition to build greater influence in Africa's richest city, even as controversy follows closely behind. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.